Welcome to Talk Like Us, dreaming of fluent English? Here, we turn beginners into confident speakers with real talk, real stories, and real results. No pressure, no rush. Just speak, smile, and talk like us.
This is the story of a boy who had nothing, but a dream that changed his life. His name was Richard. He was only 16 years old, and he lived on the streets of New York City. No home, no parents, no money, just a small bag, and big hope. Every night, Richard slept on a bench in a train station. Every morning, he went to school with dirty clothes and tired eyes. But he never missed a class. He loved learning. He believed education could change his life. Richard worked part-time jobs, washing dishes, cleaning floors, and sometimes even selling water bottles on the street. After work, he would sit under a streetlight and read his textbooks. His goal? To get into a university. One day, a teacher noticed his hard work. She helped him fill out a college application to Harvard University. Most people said, "Harvard? That's impossible for someone like you." But Richard believed, nothing is impossible. Weeks passed. Richard kept working, waiting, and hoping. Then one morning he opened his email. It read, "Congratulations, you have been accepted to Harvard." Today, Richard is not just a student. He's a symbol of hope, strength, and never giving up. No matter where you start, if you believe and if you work hard, you can go anywhere. Richard's story teaches us, success is not about money or comfort. It's about mindset, effort, and heart. Repeat after me. If I believe in myself, I can do anything. My past does not define my future. Hard work always wins.
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Talk like us.